Hi, my name is Zeel and I cleared PCE in July 2024. I was still in college when I decided to start PCE Written Prep. So my cousin recommended me to StudyBuddy. As I told earlier that when I started preparing for PCE, I was still in college and it was very overwhelming for me because each semester I had almost 6 to 7 subjects, and every subject had each subject had one assignment every week. So it was very difficult for me to balance between the PCE prep and college assignment. And I also used to work, but so I didn't find much time to study for PCE. But joining StudyBuddy helped me to narrow down the topics and focus on the important topics that are really necessary for the exam and help me in aligning my schedule. I signed up for StudyBuddy and I got access to the StudyBuddy portal, which consists of the live and recorded lectures. So you can see the lectures at your own pace. Then we had the access to all the different books that are required for the prep, and the access to the PowerPoint presentations that Sir uses during the lecture. And also we have mock tests on the portal, some self-study videos and notes, and we also had the comprehensive notes and daily plan on how to study. Then we also had StudyBuddy app, in which we get one new question every day to practice, and that was very helpful. For me, StudyBuddy helped me to clear the concepts and easily understand them, and it gave me few tricks on how to remember the difficult concepts. Ankit sir takes MSK Cardio and Ethics, and he makes those subjects really very easy. Mayank sir teaches neuro. Neuro was my least favorite subject, and I hated neuro. I don't like to study neuro, but he made it so interesting that I can say that now I can say that it is one of my favorite subject. And Purvi ma'am and Pooja ma'am takes other system and non-system classes, and they also made it very easy to study. And the collaborative effect of them helped me to cover all the important topics and focus on the exam. I also opted for mentorship because I was very much confused what to do, where to do. Once I had completed the lectures, I was like, "Now what to do next?" So I think I needed some help. I opted for mentorship, and mentorship makes a lot of difference. The mentors help to they assess you, they analyze you, they tell you where you are weak, they clear your doubts. Basically, they are available anytime you want. And I had my mentorship with Ankush sir. And the good thing here is you pay for one person and you get help from two, because he now has his assistant Anisha. And Anisha covers some of the topics which we can easily overlook, while Ankush sir covers the main topics. And Anisha also starts the question answer round 2 months before the exam. And 1 month before the exam, Ankush sir takes the rapid fire session in morning and in the evening, and that helped me to build my self confidence. And I would say that that was a game changer for me, which helped me to pass the exam. The 3 tips that helped me the most to clear the written component are: the first one is I used to make my own notes. So they helped me in understanding the topics and also remembering them. The second tip I would say is make a study partner and decide on a topic and discuss it with each other. That would further make it easy to remember those topics. And the third tip I would say is solve as many questions as possible, because solving question helps you to identify your weak areas, and it also trains you for the exam, because in the end what you have is those questions and how you are doing in those 4 hours. So I would say start solving as many questions as possible. With practice and hard work, anything is possible. I'm sure with hard work and practice, you all can do it. All the very best, everyone, and thank you so much.